Fully automatic 4-station shirt sleeve and collar sewing and trimming machine integrates for functions: 1 preparing, 2 sewing, 3 trimming, and for collecting. Station 1 preparing, Station 2 sewing, Station 3 trimming, Station 4 collecting, 1 piece in 10 to 12 seconds. Only 1 worker needs to prepare the fabrics. It's very simple to operate, suitable for any workers, and highly efficient.